Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for jewelry and watches business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free. So you can get started free. Now it takes you to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. So as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here where you're gonna design and customize, set up your website and the storefront. So click here, set up your website and the storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Okay, here you have to go to the settings, go to the templates, and select the templates you wanna use. So for the jewelry and watches, you have to choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna select this template here of the topic of the jewelry. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the header and the menu and change the enter your site name or your company name. You can manage the navigation menu, the store section, the about section, the delivery and the contact section. You can also add the menu item. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the design. Here, any design, any section, you have any design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business or your website. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, the color. You can also add the frame outline to make it more clear and more attractive. That's it. So just make sure your site is attractive to anyone and it's matched with your business and with your fonts and the size. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the cover and the headline. Here you have to add the tagline, your site title. You can type here just simple introduce to your business. For example, welcome to our site for welcome to our site for jewelry and watches business. That's it. Just a simple one like this. You can enter here your description. Okay, if you want to change the image, you can change it from the browser or from your library. And in the design, choose your favorite one, your favorite layout here. Okay, don't forget the background, the title and the font, the size, the style and the color. You have to change the font. Okay, the description, the same thing, or you can keep it just like this, just make it more bigger than this size. Let's go back now. Let's move on now to the next section, the store. So here you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Here click new products. Okay, so here you have to enter the products gallery. Go to the browser and search on jewelry and watches image. Okay, now go to the image and select one of these images here. Okay, so for example, I need just a simple. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Of course you can add 3 more or 4 more images if you want. Here add the name of your product, the REF, the weight 1 kilogram, and you can customize the prices options. Don't forget the description of your product here. So if you're done from this place here, you can go back to the editor and enter here the title. And that's it. Complete here the design of your product after you add the product image and the description and the prices. Now go back, let's move on to the next section. Add the title, the subtitle, and here you can use this description to talk about your experiences in your business and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. And that's it. The design, choose your favorite one. Okay, I'm gonna change the background, and of course you have to change also the title. Okay, um, that's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the next section. Here you have to add the tagline and the attractive description that matches with the title. And if you want to change the image, you can change it from the browser or from your library. Go back. Let's move on to the customer reviews. You can add the review text and the author name and the region. That's it. The design, choose your favorite one like this. I'm gonna choose this one here, just a simple layout. Okay, let's go back. Let's move on now to the contact section. Here you can use this description. For example, we are always happy to see you. Okay, you can add the business address and you can enter your exact postal address or the plus code. You can of course add the daily hours, the contact information, and the social profile, so you can add it here, and that's it. You can make it just like this layout, and in the background you can add the map like this. It's attractive and it's more clear. That's it. Now let's go back. After you done the last section here, the footer section, enter your company name. Okay, enter the company name for the copyright. If you want to add section, you can just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. That's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website. Now you can start selling and start your business. Your site is published. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.